Yeah, good morning, students. Um, how was your weekend? So this is Mr. Konde on the line. We'll be taking you some questions in uh, past questions in the year 2016. So I'm going to be taking you question number 3A, 3B, 5A, and 5B. So you are expected to do number 6, 7, and 8 as your assignments. But the reason why I've decided to take this is that I discovered that majority of you are still here to understand some concepts here. So please, I want you to listen and listen attentively as we solve this problem. Now, number 3A, yes, we have a question here that in the diagram, angle RTS equals to 28 degree and angle VRM equals to 46 degree, where MQ is a tangent. MQ is a tangent. That is any line at all touching a circle at a point is called a tangent. So how do we solve a problem like this? Remember, we have to find VUS. So VUX. Now, to solve a problem like this, remember that VUS is X. So solution. VUS is X. Good. That's what we are looking for. But before we can solve that, what do we need to do? If you look at this and this side there, we can call this side, we can call it let's call it alpha, and then this side, let's call it beta. So we have alpha and then we have beta. Now if you look at alpha, we see that is an alternate segment. Look at this alternate segment, and when we have an alternate segment, that means these are angles that are equal. So alternate segments, or if you don't want to look at it in that form, you can look at it in form of alternate segments. Yes, fine, because if you look at it, this shape is a letter Z shape. So whatever we have here is what we are going to have here. And remember that when a chord meets a tangent, the alternate segments are formed. So definitely there is an alternate segment between this angle and this angle here. So alpha here is 28 degree. Remember, it is an alternate segment. Okay, after knowing that, what next? Now this angle here is located on a straight line. You can see that means that we can actually look for the angle beta on this straight line. So that will give us 46 degree plus beta plus alpha equals to 180 degree. That is angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Okay, so having known that, so we can now say that 46 degree plus, now what is beta? Unknown. That's what we are looking for. Plus what is alpha? Alpha is 28 degree. So we have 28 degree equals to 180 degree. So therefore we have 46 plus 28. That will give us 74 degree plus beta equals to 180 degree. So finally, beta will now be equals to 180 degree minus 74 degree. And that gives us 180 minus 74 degree. That gives us 106 degrees. So we have gotten beta. However, it is not beta we are looking for. What we are looking for is the value of x. But there is a law, there is a theorem, a circle theorem, that says that the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, of course this is a cyclic quadrilateral because you can see a quadrilateral inside, and that quadrilateral is connected to every point in the circumference of a circle. So in that situation, we can say this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So since we have that, I can now say that the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So to find the value of x, which is the same thing as VUS, then we just say that x plus 106 degree equals to 180 degree. Remember, opposite angle in the cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angle in the cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So from there we have x equals to 180 degree minus 106 degree. So s equals to 180 minus 106 degree, and that will give us 74 degree. Yes, 74.